Hola, amigos! Welcome back to our channel, the place where we unravel the mysteries behind your favorite dishes. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Spanish cuisine, focusing on a beloved and iconic dish, Tostas de Tomate. Get ready to discover some unknown facts that will elevate your appreciation for this classic Spanish delight. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our tasty content. The origin story. Let's start with the origin of Tostas de Tomate. Did you know that this dish has deep roots in traditional Spanish cuisine? Originating from the regions of Andalusia and Catalonia, Tostas de Tomate has been a staple in Spanish households for generations. It's a dish that reflects the vibrant and fresh flavors of the Mediterranean. The ingredients. Now, let's talk ingredients. The simplicity of Tostas de Tomate is part of what makes it so special. Typically, it involves ripe tomatoes, high-quality extra virgin olive oil, garlic, and a pinch of salt. But here's the twist: the quality of each ingredient is paramount. Spaniards take pride in using the freshest, most flavorful tomatoes and the finest olive oil to create the perfect harmony of taste. The toasting technique. Ever wondered why they're called tostas? It's all about the toasting technique. The bread is toasted to perfection, creating a delightful crunch that complements the juicy tomatoes. Some even prefer to rub a garlic clove on the toasted bread for an extra layer of flavor. It's this attention to detail that sets Tostas de Tomate apart. Regional variations. As with any traditional dish, there are regional variations. In some parts of Spain, you might find Tostas de Tomate served with toppings like cured ham, anchovies, or even a sprinkle of Spanish paprika. These variations showcase the versatility of the dish and the creativity of Spanish cooks. Cultural significance. Beyond the kitchen, Tostas de Tomate holds cultural significance. It's a dish often shared among friends and family during gatherings and celebrations. The act of sharing Tostas de Tomate is a symbol of hospitality and warmth, reflecting the essence of Spanish culture. The perfect pairing. Now, let's talk about the perfect pairing for Tostas de Tomate. It's not just about the ingredients but also what you enjoy it with. Many Spaniards love to accompany their tostas with a glass of chilled Spanish wine, such as a crisp Albarino or a refreshing cava. The combination of the toasty bread and the acidity of the tomatoes pairs beautifully with the fruity notes of these wines, creating a match made in culinary heaven. Tostas de Tomate in modern cuisine. As we celebrate tradition, it's fascinating to see how Tostas de Tomate has evolved in modern cuisine. Chefs around the world are putting their own spin on this classic, experimenting with different bread types, heirloom tomato varieties, and innovative toppings. It has become a canvas for culinary creativity, proving that a dish deeply rooted in tradition can still embrace innovation. Health benefits. Did you know that Tostas de Tomate is not just a treat for your taste buds but also a healthy choice? Tomatoes are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. They're known for their heart-healthy properties and have even been linked to skin benefits. So, the next time you savor a tosta de tomate, know that you're not just indulging, you're nourishing your body too. Tostas de Tomate around the world. While Tostas de Tomate is a quintessentially Spanish dish, its influence has spread worldwide. In various culinary circles, you might find similar dishes inspired by the simplicity and deliciousness of Tostas de Tomate. Whether it's in a trendy tapas bar in New York or a cozy cafe in Tokyo, the essence of this Spanish delight transcends borders. Tostas de Tomate traditions. Now, let's delve into some unique traditions associated with Tostas de Tomate. In some Spanish households, making tostas is not just about the ingredients but also about the process. It's a communal activity, with family members and friends gathering to share stories, laughter, and of course, the joy of creating these mouth-watering tostas together. It's a culinary tradition that goes beyond the plate, fostering a sense of togetherness and connection. Tostas de Tomate in pop culture. Did you know that Tostas de Tomate has made its mark in pop culture? From being featured in popular Spanish movies to making appearances in television shows, this iconic dish has become a symbol of the rich culinary tapestry of Spain. Its portrayal in media has not only heightened its cultural significance but has also sparked curiosity and admiration worldwide. And there you have it, amigos. The untold story of Spanish Tostas de Tomate. I hope you enjoyed this culinary journey with us. If you have a favorite Spanish dish or a topic you'd like us to explore next, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your foodie friends. Until next time, happy eating!